Hey, you've probably noticed that the internet is abuzz with an excitement about ChatGPT, an AI-based chatbot system that uses natural language processing to generate conversations. ChatGPT enables users to ask questions or tell a story, and the bot will respond with a relevant, natural-sounding answer and topics. So how do you use ChatGPT? Step 1. Go to the OpenAI website and click on the Try ChatGPT button. You will find the Try button towards the top of the website interface. Step 2. You'll be asked to log in or sign up. If you don't already have an account, sign up using your email address. You may also have to share your mobile number before you are let in. Step 3. You are greeted with a few standard disclaimers. These include a notice that AI trainers may review your interactions with ChatGPT to evaluate the system's performance. You may want to skim through these disclaimers for a general overview of what to expect. Now you can start interacting with ChatGPT. Find the message box towards the bottom of the interface to begin conversation. Step 4. ChatGPT will generate a response quickly. As a starting point, we can ask a simple question: what is Bitcoin? The bot only took 5 seconds to come up with a response. We like the bot's explanation as it was easy to comprehend. But if you are unhappy with the response, you can hit the Regenerate Response button to try again. The bot will then try to answer you differently. Step 5. You may continue the conversation by replying to ChatGPT's messages using the message box. Or you can also click on the New Chat button on the left sidebar to reset the current conversation and start a new one. Based on the limited time chatting with the bot, it does a decent job with the human-like responses. You can't really tell that you're talking to an AI, unless of course you know it already. You can also use ChatGPT to write programming codes. So what are you waiting for? ChatGPT is definitely worth a try.